Hi friends, welcome to Raman channel. Today we see vector calculus gradient example. Here they given if a equal to x plus y plus z, b equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and c equal to xy plus yz plus zx, prove that det of grade a, grade b, grade c equal to 0. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to find the gradient of a, gradient of b, gradient c. First we like the a. A equal to what they given? A equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, we have to find the grade A. Grade A. Nothing but symbol is like this. Okay, that equal what is the formula? I into dou A by dou X plus J into dou A by dou Y plus K into dou A by dou Z. Now we have to find the dou A by dou X, dou A by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Now A equal to what they given? X plus Y plus Z. First we have to find the dou A by dou X. Dou by dou X of A equal to dou by dou x of x plus y plus z. Now, dou a by dou x is equal to what is the x derivative? X derivative with respect to x 1 plus y derivative 0 plus z derivative 0. That equal to how much? 1. Dou a by dou x 1. Now, dou a by dou y. Dou a by dou y equal to dou by dou y of x plus y plus z. Now that equal to dou a by dou y is equal to what the x derivative with respect to y? 0 plus y derivative 1 plus z derivative 0. That equal to how much? 1. Similarly, dou a by dou z how much? Dou a by dou z also equal to 1. We find dou a by x, dou a by dou a by dou z. Now what they given? B equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Not no no. You have to find a grade A. Grade A equal to I into dou a by dou x. What is the dou a by dou x value? 1 plus j into dou a by dou y. What is the value? 1 plus k into dou a by dou z how much? 1. That equal to how much? I plus j plus k. This is the grade A. Now we have to find the grade B also. What is the B equal to? B equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now we have to find the grade B. Now grade B equal to what is the formula? I into dou b by dou x plus j into dou b by dou y plus k into dou b by dou z. Now we have to find the dou b by dou y, dou b by dou z, dou b by dou x. Now b equal to x square plus y square plus z square. We do directly. Dou b by dou x is equal to what is x square derivative? 2x. Y square 0, z square 0. Now dou b by dou y. With respect to y, what is the derivative? 0. Y square 2y. Z square 0. Okay. Now dou b by dou z. With respect to x with respect to z, x square derivative 0, y square also 0. What is the z square derivative? 2z. Now grade b equal to I into what is the dou b by dou x? 2x plus j into what is the dou b by dou y? 2y plus k into 2z. This also completed. Now we have to find the grade C. C equal what they given? xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. Now grade C equal to I into dou c by dou x plus dou c by dou y plus j into here plus k into dou c by dou z. Now we find the dou c by dou x. Now dou by dou x of c equal to dou by dou x of xy plus yz plus zx. That equal to what is the xy derivative with respect to x? Y. Yz derivative 0 plus zx derivative x. Now dou c by dou x is equal to x plus y over. Now dou c by dou y. Now dou c by dou y equal to dou by dou y of xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. Now dou c by dou x dou y equal to What is x y derivative? X. Y z derivative? Z. Zx derivative 0. That equal to how much? X plus z. Now we have to find x with respect to z. Now dou c by dou z equal to dou by dou z of xy plus yz plus zx. That equal to what is x y derivative? 0 plus yz derivative y plus zx derivative x. That equal to how much? X plus y. Okay. Now del grade c equal to I into dou c by dou x. Dou c by dou x how much we got? X plus y plus j into dou c by dou y is the x plus z plus k into dou c by dou z is the x plus y. Now del v how much we got? Del v equal to how much? I into 2x, I into 2x plus j into 2y plus k into 2z. Okay. We find grade A also. Grade A equal to how much? I plus j plus k. Now we have to find the det of these three. Det of grade A, grade B, grade C. Okay. How you find? First you take the I, j, k like this. First it is the grade A. Grade A. What is the I coefficient here? 1. J coefficient 1. K coefficient 1. Clear. Now take the grade B. What is the I coefficient? 2x. J coefficient 2y. K coefficient 2z. Now come to grade C. Grade C. What is the I coefficient? X plus y. J coefficient x plus z. Sorry, this is y plus z. X plus z. First one is the y plus z. First one is the y plus z. Second one is the x plus z. Third one is the x plus y. Like this. Now, from this row, take the 2 as common. What is remaining? When you take the 2 common, 1, 1, 1, x, y, z. Here is the y plus z. Here is the x plus z. And here is the x plus y. Now we do the row operation. Now R3 implies R2 plus R3. Now first we write the R1 and R2 as this. 2 into 1, 1, 1, x, y, z. This adding difference x plus y plus z or not? R2 plus R3. Then it becomes x plus y plus z. Here also x plus y plus z. And here also x plus y plus z. See, y plus x plus z, x plus y plus z. Okay. Now take the x plus y plus z as common. X 2 into x plus y plus z as common. What is remaining here? 1, 1, 1, x, y, z. And 1, 1, 1. If two rows are equal, the det equal to 0. If two rows are equal, the det equal to 0. Like this you have to do. Thank you for watching my video.